it's raining, so the ground is still wet. But I think me and Mo are gonna find a place to do some drifts. You know, why not? It's raining, you don't lose that much tire tread. So we're gonna find a spot, record it. Hopefully you guys will like the video.
What is up, dudes? What up, guys? We are back. My man's Dan just gave me a call on the phone. Says he wants to go to a parking lot and do some stuff. So you already know what that means. Today's video is about to be banging. I hope y'all are ready for this. Y'all about to see me and Dan cut it up. And you already know what's going down today, baby. Well, how's my day going? My day is chilling, guys. I'm just waiting for Dan outside, as you can see. I got the whips. Katrina right there. We litty. Is that's the noise of our founding fathers. Yep. America is here, everybody. Bam. America. My man's Dan is finally here. Let's get this show on the road and let's go cut it up. Deuce. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look who it is.
What it do? What's up?
What's going on today, Dan?
Man, nothing much. What you got planned?
According to your phone call, we cutting it up today.
I think so.
We're heading down to Mexico and we're cutting it up.
Bet.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's hit it.
Let's go.
What up, guys? So we're currently at a unknown location in Mexico. We got Dan right behind me. Ooh, she looking so nice. Got Katrina right there. But yeah, we're just getting set up. Gonna do a couple parking lot stuff and take some dope pictures. Hope you guys like it. We should be having a cool video coming out soon. It's as you can tell with the umbrella, it's been raining here in Michigan. And I don't know when it's gonna stop. And it's cold. It's really cold. And as you can hear, Dan's in the background revving it up. But yeah, we're about to take some dope pics on our Instagram, Mustangs of Michigan. Make sure you guys check that out. We are actually gonna start throwing that in the description from now on. And yeah, here's Dan the man.
What's up?
Hey. All right. Let us do what we do best.
I keep my foot on the gas. I know I'm never gonna crash. Never be turning around. Never be slowing it down. I keep my foot on the gas. I know I'm never gonna crash. Everyone making excuses. I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off. Know that I'm never gonna lose it. Got addicted to the chase now. People saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gonna stand still. I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me. They treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I was salary. They made me up in discussion. They want to rap. I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories all of a sudden.
Find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life. Underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have
this man's?
Man, who is this man's right here? Does he even own a Mustang?
I don't know. Is it?
I don't know.
Camaro
Do y'all
Life?
see one right here?
Dodge Life.
Can't really.
I love boats.
Yeah, yeah.
Love boats.
Oh.
Hey, I went to the dealership and bought a boat the other day.
Oh, did
Want to
you?
look at my demon? Oops. Did I say that out loud?
Damn.
We're back, guys. We're back from cutting it up in the rain.
Yup.
There you guys have it. I mean, there was a small parking lot that we could only find because, I mean, around here the cops are always active. So
Yeah. And
especially
we're really not
in-
trying to get a
yeah, you know,
pulled over
in
or
Mexico,
a ticket for that.
it's cool. That's where we went. But you know, when we came back home, we had to tone it down.
Yep. But so, right now, we're basically ending off the night.
Yep.
But we want to know, before we end the video, what do you guys want to see?
'Cause,
What
you
kind
know,
of content?
It's starting to get cold. It's starting to rain. Sooner or later, it's gonna start to snow.
Yep.
And you know, we can drift around so much. So what do you
Exactly.
guys want to see? Like, do you guys want to see more car mods? Do you guys want to see more of us like DIY type stuff? Do you want to see us like go into more detail of cleaning our cars or something? Like, if you guys want to learn something and you think we know how to do it, put it in the description. I mean, the comment section below, and more than likely we'll do a video on it.
Yep.
You got anything to add, Dan?
Not really.
There you guys have it. I think we outie. Deuce.